Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. So we had an amazing breakout today with SOPA in the Instabills room today. Society Pass Inc., a new IPO, halted at $18.20, jumping all to $54.56 on the day, about 199.99% on that breakout. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we are trying to hold above to continue this momentum, which indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation. Again, last week we had a major breakout with FA2BB, about 100% on that breakout. The very next day had another major breakout, and then the very next day we had a continuation. So again, the market has been reacting to the major runners that have been from the previous day some days. So we're going to make sure we do cover this. Which levels are we trying to hold above to have that continuation? And all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's get into this one. So I'm going to go over the 1 minute chart with you guys here on SOPA. I'm going to go over exactly how this one played out today. But before I do get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. Again, we did mention SOPA today halted at $18.20, jumped up all the way to $54.56 on the day, almost 200% on that breakout. And there's more where that comes from. Yesterday we mentioned PPSI at $5.50 from pre-market on their EV news, all the way up to $12.25, over 100% on that breakout. And we also mentioned more EV news with BNGO from their funding that they got from Pennsylvania from $10.50, jumping all up to $18 going to pre-market today, over 70% on that breakout. So if you guys do want to see more news, halts, or breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on SOPA, here on the 1 minute chart, again, we were halted at $18.20, jumped all the way up to $36. We did mention that we were not going to mention any more alerts at that point in time. We did not want to get halted down almost 100% at that point in time. And sure enough, had one more halt up and did get halted down. Made sure we did stay out of the situation. As you guys can see, we did consolidate in the middle of the day. We did have the 20-ring average cross back above the 50 here. And again, when we do have the 20-ring average holding above the 50 in the middle of the day, it shows us that we could continue. That is something to make sure we do keep in mind. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I would be thinking about. Now, as you guys can see, we did have the 20-ring average hold above the 50. We did bounce off the 50-ring average with our candles here, bounced over the 20 and had that bounce and continued on up. And did mention that we were breaking some new highs at that point in time. Had that nice break all up to 54.56. Mentioned that that was very risky at that point in time. Sure enough, did continue on down from then. So as far as a continuation, I will be looking to see if we can get this 20-ring average, the yellow line, to cross back above the 50. As you guys can see, we are just crossing below it. Looking to see if we can cross above it to see if we can have a continuation. Making sure we do stay above this 35.25 mark. As you guys can see, we have our VPVR here showing us the most amount of value that was traded within the stock's time period today. Sure enough, looking to see if we can make sure we stay over 35.25. As you guys can see, we did consolidate many times here at 35.25 throughout the day, and sure enough, did respect it, had that continuation. Now looking to see if we can continue to respect 35.25 to possibly reclaim 47.19 and have that gap up here to possibly get that blue sky breakout here at $50 is what we're looking for here. So to make this easy, making sure we do get the 20-ring average to cross back by the 50 to break over $50 and to make sure we do increase in buy pressure, as we do have the EMA lines below the MACD. But however, we have that decrease in sell pressure showing us that we could increase in buy pressure. And again, we're making sure we do watch this because the market likes to have major breakouts from the day before continue. We're going to make sure we do keep this on watch, as we had the same thing happen with the WBAC, PHUN, MARK with FATBB on that multi-day runner and broke continue highs after those multi-day runners. So again, we're going to keep SOPA on the watch to see if we can get some type of crazy move here on SOPA, but again, not exactly expecting much. We'll keep this on the watch. Now, with that said, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert. That again, we mentioned halt, news, and breakout alerts throughout the day. If there are any, of course, the market's been very choppy in the middle of the day, but however, had major breakouts in the morning mostly at this point in time. Go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. God bless you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.